Today, I want to also share a very simple lesson from my farm, especially something small but very important when it comes to feeding management, especially during the cold periods and also farrowing. Normally, I feed my pigs directly on the bare cemented floor. I don't usually use the feeding troughs. If you have been watching my videos, you could see that I don't often use the feeding troughs. That system has worked very well for me. Feeding on the bare floor has really worked well for me on the farm. But after I spread the floor with sawdust and wood shavings to keep the sows and the piglets warm, feeding on the bare floor was no longer possible for me. So I had to improvise. So I took a 25-liter container, then cut it into 2 equal halves and started using them as feeding bowls for the gestating sows. Sows with piglets or sows that are breastfeeding their piglets. At first, everything looked fine, but when I observed closely, I noticed something interesting. The sow that later farrowed 11 but lost 2 had a habit of pushing the feed out of the bowl. She wasn't doing it intentionally, but each time she ate, the feed ended up inside the sawdust, causing feed wastage. That also meant she was not eating the full quantity she needed to sustain her body and then for the piglets. On the other hand, the first-time mother was very gentle. She ate her feed directly from the bowl without spilling or wasting any of the feed. That's when I realized something very important. Not all pigs eat the same way. Yes, I must share this with you. Some eat aggressively and then they scatter the whole place with feed. So I had to be very strategic. For the sow that kept wasting the feed, the one that when I put feed in the trough and she starts putting them back into the sawdust, I made a small adjustment to how I feed it. Before feeding her, I would sweep one corner of the room, removing every bit of sawdust until the bare cemented floor was exposed. Then I dropped the feed directly on the bare floor. That small change completely stopped feed wastage and ensured she ate everything meant for her and even licked the floor. This has been a very big lesson for me. Good feeding is not just about the feed itself, it's about how and where you give it to the pigs. As farmers, we must also observe, adjust, and also we adapt what we are doing on our farms. One method will not work for every pig that you have. So if you're losing feed and don't understand why, don't rush to blame the feed. Watch the pigs themselves first. The solution might be very simple. Follow for more.